Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you the GXSDYYDS bedside table with Bluetooth speaker. This bedside table comes with wireless charging function, LED light. This bedside cabinet comes with 3 drawers, 2 USB and a Type-C port. It's a wooden bedside table with socket. Modern sight as you need it in white or black and in different shapes as you like it. This bedside table is equipped with stereo Bluetooth speakers on both sides, which deliver the high-quality sound with a powerful bass and a clear heights. The Bluetooth speakers are equipped with advanced chips to establish a faster and more stable Bluetooth connection. We use Bluetooth to enjoy music anytime and anywhere. The smart bedside table has 1 wireless charging station, 2 USB-A and 1 Type-C port, a 1.5 meter long power cord, so we can conventionally charge our phone, iPad or other devices. We say goodbye to the hassle of insufficient power outlets and wake up with a stress-free charging experience. We can switch the 3 dimmable colors, warm white, neutral white, and cold white, and the brightness of the LED bedside table according to our needs and preferences, because it's touch control. This modern bedside cabinet is made of a solid wood frame that has an excellent stability. The surface is made of high-quality microfiber leather, which is easier to clean, durable and beautiful, and it fits to our home. The top is made of a thickened tempered glass and offers an excellent load-bearing capacity. It's 59 to 45 to 40 centimeter. The nightstand has an integrated design that does not require a complicated installation process. The 3 drawers helps us to store our things more neatly and keep our room more organized. You can see it's easy to operate with this smart nightstand. We have Bluetooth, we have a charging station, we have wireless charging, of course, we have LED and a nice light sensor. Smart Bluetooth with 5.0 BT, an anti-C thermistor protection, an over-voltage protection, an anti-interruption charge, and of course 360 degrees charging. Compatible with 99% of wireless charging phones on the market. Not only the phones can be charged there, of course. You can charge nearly everything because they're on wired connection and a wireless connection. And it's made of solid wood, high hardness, and it will not crack so much, and so forth. Mostly content less than 12%, and odorless and healthier, because it's naturally. This brings us an easy-to-pair device. We go with our smartphone, and we search for Bluetooth in the area. And if this bedside table is connected to a power socket, it will be automatically search for Bluetooth. And then we can pair them each other. After the pairing is done, we have to enter a password for it, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think it was, and then you're in. The Bluetooth function brings all the sound which you get on the phone, for example, now into the 2 speakers of this bedside table, and that is possible to make clear sounds, stereo sounds, and the LED brings us a night light on top. This all brings us the bedside table. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!